Hi, I'm Dr. Karpati, here to review your Wart Stick. The purpose of the Wart Stick is basically to help destroy wart tissue, and what I like about it is that it's in a stick form, not in a liquid form, so it's much easier to control. It does look like a chapstick, so I always tell you to put an X on the top so you don't accidentally get it on your lips. But it's pretty straightforward on how to use this. The instructions are on the back, and basically you soak your foot for a little bit, say about 5 minutes after you wash your foot, and you dry it off really well. Then you get your wart stick and you apply wherever your wart is, and then you cover it. I like to have my patients use Moleskin, which helps to occlude it so it keeps it covered. It keeps the wart stick medication in place, and I find that that works better and more effectively than using a Band-Aid, which sometimes tends to absorb this product. You do need to use it every day.